Alright, Andrew, have I started on your car? No. Well, actually I have. I was going to say no I haven't, but actually I have started on it because I'm finished with it. There you have it. It is a Welly, which you know this. Sorry about that bracket. Welly 120, they list them as 124th-127th. Obviously this is more of a 127th style car. They make great models. I mean, super detailed and everything for the price of them. But I wish they just made them 24 scale so a battery would fit in the back. Makes it so much more difficult. Anyway, as you can see, the front door is still open. Hood still opens. I did not break, almost had the ointment. I did not break the ornament off. Hood ornament off, which is a surprise. I thought for sure the whole time I was messing with it I ended up snapping that off, and that's fine. I could put it back on there, but then to find it would have been the treat. So anyway, it is on there. Ta-da. Interior, of course, did nothing to it at all. We just did headlights and taillights on this one. Pretty cool model. Like I said, again, they're painting everything with the full windows and the frame on them. Everything about a Welly model is pretty cool except for the stinking size. I just wish they made them larger so it'd fit in with other like Motor Max 24 scales and whatnot. I do make a couple. I think one of the maybe the Charger or something that they put out, the older body style Charger, not the 2016 or 15 that they put out because it's the small one like this. But you know, some of the other ones actually do have correct sizing to them. So anyway, again, Mercedes S-Class. I can't even talk tonight. I have no idea what year it is. It didn't say, and without me seeing it to read, I don't know. Looks like it was produced in 2017. I want to guess it's probably a 2015 or something, 2016 maybe, since it was just produced last year, or actually 2 years ago now that it's 19. Woo! One switch on this. Again, this is headlights and taillights. We'll show you something on this. Here's the problem with Welly. They have a screw here, and they always put another screw right in the center of the trunk, right where the gas tank's at, right through the center, which pretty much blocks a 9-volt completely. So what I did with this one, since this one had 2 screws in the front, most of the Wellys just have one in the front, one in the rear. But since it had that middle one, it helped us out a little bit. So what I did was cut that post out completely so I could fit the 9-volt in there without cutting the interior. As you can see, no interior was cut on it. So I was able to take that post out and mount the switch in the hole where the screw was supposed to go in. And to change the battery, all you're really going to need to do is just pull these wheels down. It'll stay closed up just fine. It kind of snaps into place. You can hear it kind of snap. But you can actually pull that down a little bit and change the battery out the back without taking the screws out. Now, if you want to make it easier, you can just take this middle one here out. Or you can take them both out if you want, just trying to save yourself some time. Like I said, you can just pop the bottom down and then it'll separate. Right here you can see it's kind of apart right there. Just snap it back up in there and it'll stay together. So anyway, let's turn the switch on. Boop. Go over the lighting, which is not a whole lot to go over. I'll use the hyper white headlights on this one, which looks more, obviously, they're LEDs. So let's have the LED. I don't know if the actual Mercedes has the LEDs in it or not, but anyway, they do have the xenon headlamps, I'm sure. So we do want them the bluish tint to them, the nice cool white LED. And then, of course, nothing fancy in the back other than red taillights, which is what's supposed to be back there. So I'm going to end up doing with it. I appreciate it. I'll get this. Matter of fact, I'll probably schedule a pickup for tomorrow at work and just have it and go ahead and ship it back out to you tomorrow. So you should have it in just a couple days. I've got your address, so I'll send it on out of here. Again, Andrew, appreciate it, and we'll do some more for you soon. Thanks.